Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Some report as say Mario Antonio Palacios, who was one-time Colombian military officer and wanted to kill the Haitian president, get locked up in a Jamaica. The police said them searched 2 houses that belong to Kevin Smith, who was the leader for the Pathways Internal Kingdom Restoration Ministries in a Montego Bay, St. James. The police put out an Ananda alert for 16-year-old Nyuuz Henry, who come from Whitehall district in a St. Thomas. She missing from Thursday, October 14. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full story them. Some report as a Mario Antonio Palacios, who was a one-time Colombian military officer who wanted to kill the Haitian president, get locked up in a Jamaica. The Haitian president get killed on July 7. The police said them lock up Palacios to come into the country the wrong way, but when them run some more check on him, them said the International Criminal Police Organization Interpol put him on them wanted list. Haiti did put Palacios on them wanted list too, and them said him did come into the country one day before the killing of the president. The police said them searched 2 houses that belong to Kevin Smith, who was the leader for the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in a Montego Bay, St. James. Some police and the Major Investigation Division, MID, go to Smith House in a Coral Gardens sometime before 1 p.m. Them carry some firemen for cut the lot them too. Some report as said the police find some paper who can help them out with the case. After that, them go to second house in a Iron Shore. Mr. Smith get locked up after 2 people get killed in a one ritual we keep him church. The police shot and killed the 3rd smaddy after him did attack one of them with one machete. The police put out an Ananda alert for 16-year-old Nyuuz Henry, who come from Whitehall district in a St. Thomas. She missing from Thursday, October 14. She brown and fat and she about 4 foot long. According to the report from the Seaford police, around 4 p.m., people last seen Nyuuz at the Morant Bay market in the parish. She did have on one pink blouse and pink tights. Nobody not hear from her after that. The Seaford police asked anybody who know which part Nyuuz Henry there for call them on 876-982-4280-119 or the nearest police station. Police charge a grandson for the 76-year-old woman who get found dead her yard. The man, a 26-year-old Jermaine Powell, who people call Man, him a one farmer. Him come from outside district, Warsap in the parish, and him alone did a take care of her. According to the police report, around 12:15 in the morning, Mr. Powell called them and tell them say him find him granny dead in the house. Them carry me in on October 18, and when them ask him some question, him tell them say him kill him granny. Them charge him after that. Him soon get one court date. One man get stabbed and dead yesterday morning at Coronation Market pan Spanish Town Road in Kingston. The dead man, a 41-year-old Damien Osborne, was one shopkeeper who come from Regent Street in a Denman Town, Kingston. According to the report, around 7 a.m., Mr. Osborne go to market for go buy crab, and one man rush him and stab him up. The police say them know the man who stab and kill him, and them a look for him. Now for sports. The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, said they must stick with them decision for put Montego Bay United in the next season at the Jamaica Premier League, JPL, instead of Wadada Wednesday afternoon. The JFF said they meet with Wadada Tuesday afternoon, and when them look over were right, them say Wadada fail for register them players and people who work with the club. People who want to play in the Premier League did have to register upon the JFF Connect platform by the 1st of October 2021 before 5 p.m. That did the deadline. Based off of the ruling, Montego Bay United are going to take over for UAFC in the 2021-2022 season, we are going to start later this year. People, remember the curfew are from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just gave the news in the Jamaican language. Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.